Ran across this encouraging article. It says that VTSAX returns 300% in a decade while most managed funds fall behind. Quick Read says that VTSAX returned 30% in 1 year and 300% over 10 years with zero decisions needed. But concentration in mega caps like Nvidia and Apple means it corrects when tech stocks stumble. So this is wonderful news. Whoever was holding 10 years ago, congratulations. And whoever's holding right now, congratulations in 10 years. Does it mean that it's going to return 300% in another decade? It's not guaranteed, but things are looking up. I know that inflation is a little sticky. Prices of things are going up. The way I rationalize things is the cost of everyday items is going up. This means that revenues for certain companies will probably go up, earnings reports will be higher, and that might lead the stock market to continue to go up. It's a feedback loop at the end of the day. And there are not a lot of vehicles for investment like the stock market in current times. Real estate doesn't do it. Most other things, investment vehicles, are just not returning what the stock market has. And I think a lot of people are on this passive run where they're just investing whatever their company matches, their 401k, their IRA. They have just automatic payments set up. So I just think that this is a new time, and VTSAX has nowhere to go but up. And I will be here for the ride, so I'll put the link in the description below, and VTSAX always.